Today we are going to build a client success app without using code. So we are going to build the interface, so the UI, the UX of your app, and we are going to change a few blocks here, change colors and so on. And we are going to create the structure for this, so how to organize your data. But most importantly, we are going to show you how to use the table email feature together with an automation so you can connect your information inside Jestor. So here's it's an app that you have in solution for your for your company, and basically it's already ready to go, but we are going to show you how to build this because it's important for your company to understand how you can change if you want. Maybe you can use the same methods that we have here with other apps that you have. And ideally the email automation will be also something interesting for other situations inside your company, but here the focus will be on a client success app. So as you can see here, you have the client info, number of meetings, requests, and we are going to show you how to build this and just in just a few minutes without using any code.